Hey guys, in this video I'll show you the 7 best PS5 games for couples to play together. Let's get started. First is It Takes Two. This is one of the best co-op games ever made. You and your partner must work together to solve puzzles and move through a fun story. Next is Haven. In this game, you explore a beautiful world together while managing a couple's relationship and survival challenges. Third is Escape Academy. This game is all about solving escape room style puzzles. It really tests your teamwork and communication. Fourth is Cat Quest 3. It's a lighthearted action RPG with fun combat and exploration. Perfect for couples who want something simple and relaxing. Fifth is Darksiders Genesis. This one offers fast-paced combat and cooperative gameplay in a fantasy world. Sixth is Diablo 2. Here you can battle enemies, collect loot, and explore dark dungeons together. And finally, Heavenly Bodies. This game puts you in space solving zero-gravity physics puzzles, so teamwork and coordination are key. And that's it. Those are the 7 best PS5 games for couples to play together. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.